Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, you are most welcome. If you are existing subscribers, you are most welcome. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you are watching my channels Muhammad Atiq Anwar, an education for us all, and we've also separated the various topics, and this one of course is in the cooking section, and we've called that Cooking Made Simple and created a playlist on the main channel. So today we're going to make it's like a pancake really, so we call it cabbage fry pancake. So let's go through the ingredients. Cabbage. So I've chosen two different ones to mix together. So we've got red cabbage and we've got white cabbage. We have onion, which we're going to cut into the mixture. We have spring onion, which we're going to put into the mixture as well. So we've already cut some red cabbage and white cabbage and the spring onions. So we have a mixture ready here. So as you can see, it's been cut into strips, and I have really cooked it almost into a pulp really, but it's up to you. If you would prefer crunchy, then that would be better. That would be okay as well, sorry. And we have some spices here, spices to taste. I've forgotten the salt, pepper, chilies, chili flakes, and garam masala. So we are also going to put some cheese in and some plain flour to bond it together. So we're going to make the mixture now, viewers. So let's crack the eggs, please. So I'm making a small amount, and we're using 3 eggs. Obviously, yours will be proportionate. This should make about 3 pancakes. And we are going to fry it in this pan here. So as you can see, there are 2 spoonfuls of oil. So we have invested in this pan here. It's called a pancake pan, and as you can see, there are 2 sections to it, so it's very useful for flipping over. But if you don't have such a pan, you would just put a plate over this and flip it over. Okay, so the eggs are in there. We're going to do the other ingredients now. So the other ingredient, of course, is the onion, the spices, and cheese, flour, and our mixture here. We've just put our spices in, and we'll put the cheese and flour in now, and we're going to whisk that. So the cabbage mixture is in there as well now, viewers, so give that a good mix. And then we're going to add some flour to it. So you want a thick consistency so that it will fry and bond. So I've chosen about 300 grams, or was 4 large spoons of the one that we've got. So that should give you the right consistency. So that's a nice thick mixture now, viewers, and we're going to fry that now. So the oil has been heating away, and we're going to put this on very quickly and create our pancake. Bit more, I think. There's a spoon there if we need it. Okay, we're going to let that cook for a few minutes now, viewers, and then revisit, and we will show you our flip over if we can. Just forgot to mention, viewers, that we need to grease this side, and if you were using a plate, then of course you need to grease the plate. So what we're going to do is to bring that down now, viewers, and then flip it over if we can. So as you can see, that has been successfully done. Sorry, I didn't capture it on the video. So one side is cooked very nicely, and we're going to cook the other side. So it took about 3 minutes to cook the other side, viewers, and now we're going to do this same to this side. So 2 minutes have passed, viewers. That's nicely cooked, we think. So we're going to serve that now. That is our final product, viewers. Cabbage egg fried pancake. So it's another dish, a breakfast dish. I actually learnt this at university from a Chinese friend. So if we could try a small piece, please. Okay, viewers, as always, I am the chief taster. So let's have a taste. So I don't know whether you can catch that. So as you can see, it's lovely cabbage and onions in there. And I will taste that and tell you how it tastes. Yeah, very, very nice. So I used to have that on its own, or I would have beans with it as well. So that's the end of today's video, viewers. I do thank you for watching. I hope you'll try my recipe. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So until the next time, I say goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज, अल्लाह नेगेबान.